that sale, just got snake bit. Hey guys, Snake here with the
Tampa Bay Pickers.
We're attempting to get back at it. We've been off for a couple weeks, as you guys know. Mama Snake had her surgery. How you feeling, Mama Snake?
I'm okay, a little sore, but good.
A little sore?
Yeah, just a little sore.
It's almost 2 weeks now, right? Next Tuesday will be 2 weeks?
Yes, Tuesday will be 2 weeks.
Tuesday will be 2 weeks. Yep. All right. Yeah. So.
I'm still not allowed to bend or twist or turn.
Yeah, but she's allowed to. She has to stay moving though, so that's
Yes.
that's the key. So you still have to get up and walk and do all that kind of stuff. You can't just stay chilling. Anyway, so let me see. What day is today? The 28th, 29th,
28th.
28th. Okay. So it's in between Christmas or the holidays. By the way, I hope everyone had happy holidays or Merry Christmas or Happy Hanukkah or whatever it is that you celebrate. I hope you guys had a good time. Am I making it right or straight?
Yeah, you can make it right. Checked out.
Yeah. So what was I gonna say now?
Something about I don't know. I can't read
All
my
right.
mind. I'm sorry.
So anyway, yeah, it's between the holidays.
Yeah, between Christmas and New Year's.
And New Year's. Yep. So we're out and about yard sailing, but the Yard Sale Treasure Maps app only has like one blip on it.
Yeah.
Maybe two.
It has two, but the other one is like for machine parts. So it's not for us.
Yeah, so we think it's going to be a short day, but you know, we have to, like I said, we have to start getting back at it.
We can always hit up a G-Dub.
Possibly. Anyway, so we'll hopefully see you at the first yard sale. Wish us luck. Any dolls? No dolls?
I'm not surprised. I've seen it there. Yes. Ready to go. All right. So get in the back. Look out for traffic.
Bend at the knees, honey. Bend at the knees.
It's called squatting.
So the Monster High all goes with the castle, and I would do everything for $5 because I don't know how to put it together.
All this for $5?
Yeah, we moved. Some of the dolls are missing limbs, but most of them.
Okay. Well, we'll take that for $5.
Okay.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, sorry.
All right, so how much?
Like the house.
Wow.
Okay.
We'll do everything for 15.
How much are the PS3 games?
5 or 20 for all of them.
5 or 20 for all?
Yep.
I was gonna do all three for 15. How many do you want?
I'm just curious, really. So about $5 each?
Yeah.
That's for the Monster House.
Okay. But if you buy more stuff, I'll make you a deal.
Okay.
Those aren't gonna fit like that. Oh, 50 cents, quarter. Yeah, so.
Yep.
Got it?
Thank you, though.
That's not crazy. That's not crazy.
Good morning.
Good morning, how are you?
Doing well.
I love your voice.
Thank you.
I'm a music teacher, so I hear stuff that resonates.
You don't happen to have any video games or video game consoles, do you? No?
No, sorry.
It's okay.
I never got into that. I did Angry Birds on my,
On your phone?
yeah.
Yeah.
That's about all I did. Yeah, I play the piano, I don't play games.
Well, thank you, ma'am.
Oh, you're welcome. Have a good day.
You too. All right, guys. So we hit a couple yard sales, and we couldn't find any more. So we decided to stop at the G-Dub. Right there. So hopefully we can find some stuff in there. home, and
Thank you.
oh, I was touching her back. And yeah, it didn't turn out to be a terrible day. I mean, I wish there were more yard sales out there, but I mean, I think was the first one that we had the.
Yeah, the first one is the only one we
I
bought
mean,
anything
the
from.
first one, yeah, was pretty good actually. So let's show you what we got.
We paid $5 and we got a basket of Monster High dolls. Now the lady did say they were missing some limbs, but that's okay because we'll lot them up.
Yeah, so 5 of these usually go for anywhere between 29 and 34
Yeah,
or 35.
and there's 5. There's more than 5.
There's 6. There's a horse in there too.
There are 6, 7, 8 dolls. It looks like, and a horse.
Oh,
Oh no, it's another doll.
Whoa, I've never seen that one before.
I haven't either.
Oh,
Don't show it to Lily.
Yeah, that one might have to go to Lily. I don't know.
That one's cool, actually.
That one's very cool.
She is missing. I'll have to look and see if the pieces maybe are in here, but it doesn't look like there's limbs. Anyway, there are pieces, I believe, to the house that we also got. And the house,
It's not a house.
well,
This
castle.
is yes, castle.
The Monster High School.
Oh, this is the school.
Yeah, that's where it's Monster High. It's
Yeah, okay,
School.
I got you.
Anyway, but this particular Monster High castle sells for about $50. Maybe a little bit more if everything is here.
Yeah,
but
I
don't
doubt
think
everything's
everything
gonna be
is
there.
here.
Yeah,
So I actually contemplated giving it to our daughter, but
she doesn't need
yeah.
any more stuff.
So,
All right, so let's move on to the clothes then.
all right, so we did, since there were only 3 yard sales.
You can move this to the floor. I can move it to the floor. There you go.
That's gonna fall. I just know it. It must sit on something else.
All right,
Since there were only 3 yard sales, we also hit up a G-Dub.
which they obviously know.
Yes.
They're watching the video.
You know. Okay, so the first thing we picked up was this Brooks Brothers. We don't typically pick up Brooks Brothers shirts, but this one is a very nice color. It's a purple and blue plaid.
Yeah, the color, along with the insignia, the emblem.
Yeah, and it's a large, so it's a bigger size too.
Yeah.
But it's a very nice shirt, so we went ahead and picked that up.
Yeah, so we're hoping the color will make the sale on
Help
there.
it, yeah. All right, got a nice Tommy Bahama here. This is 100%
Silk.
silk. Yep.
Yeah, and it's
And
a
it's
2XL.
a 2XL, so it's a bigger one, and it's a nice pattern also.
Yep.
So,
Gotta go for about 25.
yep. Maybe a little bit more, maybe 29.
I doubt it, but
This is a nice PFG. It's a vented one. It's a nice color too, and this is also a bigger size. It's a 2XL.
yeah,
So very nice.
that'll sell for 20 to 25 as well.
Yep. All right. Here, this is Snake's favorite brand here. Go ahead, tell them what it is, honey.
It's not my favorite brand. Ermenegildo Zegna. We've been finding a lot of them lately.
Yep, and this one's actually an extra large. And again, it's a very nice, this is a heavier dress shirt.
Yeah.
But a very nice blue striped one. It's like blue and black,
Yeah.
gray, something.
Did you happen to look up what the other ones are going for lately? The other? No, probably
Around
not.
$25 to $30.
Okay, not bad.
This one, we're not sure if it's really worth anything. It's a Pink Floyd, original Pink Floyd, but not
It's-
vintage.
Yeah, it's not vintage. It's 2014. So if we hang on to it for a while, it may be vintage.
Maybe vintage
But,
eventually. But we're going to check it out. If it's not worth
Yeah,
anything
but it's
else-
almost 6 years old already. So
Yeah. So, but I kind of hit the mother load in the athletics because we don't typically find a whole lot. But I found some, I'm trying to find the emblem.
Lululemon.
Some Lululemon. The only downside is that the people cut the tags out.
They always cut the tags out of Lululemon.
Yeah, so it makes it hard to say what size it is, but I'll do measurements on it. But some nice leggings here. Another pair of nice athletic. These are big, so I'm thinking they might be like an extra large or a large. But another pair of nice Lululemon, and you can see here's the symbol or whatever. So there's that. And then again, this one is also a Lululemon. There it goes. It's one of those shirts with the sports bra in it, and so very nice.
What do you think these Lululemons go for?
The leggings probably about $20 a piece, I would say, and this shirt might go for a little bit more just because these shirts tend to sell better. They're very popular right now.
Okay.
So this might go for maybe 25 to 30.
Okay.
Found a nice big Tommy Bahama long sleeve. This is a 3XL, and it has a nice little
Daily
picture
commute
on the back.
over
Yep.
the ocean.
So, and then it also has the marlin on the front.
Yeah.
It's a
I'm probably
nice-
gonna keep that one, guys.
It's a nice color too. I like the color a lot.
Yeah, I'm probably gonna sport that one.
And then the last thing we got is another Tommy Bahama, I believe. Yep, Tommy Bahama, 100% silk. This one's also an extra, or this one is an extra large, so it's also a bigger size, but it's
Yeah.
a nice black one.
Yeah, the black ones, the jet black ones, sell very, very quickly.
And it's not, it's got some kind of like detail on it. It's not like anything special or anything like that, but it's not
Yeah.
just a plain.
Yeah, but a lot of people like the black. All right, so I think that's it. Right? Yep, that's
Yep,
it.
that's it.
Let's hope that the yard sales start picking up because we need to start getting some inventory in. December was a very good sales month for us. We went through a lot of inventory,
Yes, we did.
so we need to start replenishing. So anyway, Happy New Year to everybody.
Yes, Happy
And
New Year.
yeah, hopefully we'll see you next week. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Until next time, guys, get snake bit.